So, take note that for a body to move, a force has to be applied to it. So, motion has to deal with movement. Motion has to deal with movement. So, a body needs to move. A body needs to move. And motion can be in so many forms. We have different forms of motion or different types of motion. We can talk about the relative motion. We can talk about the rectilinear. We can talk about the rectilinear. We can talk about rectilinear. We can talk about the oscillatory. We can talk about the circular. Talk about the circular motion. We can talk about different types of motion. So rectilinear has to do with motion in a straight line. The body is moving from point A to point B. From point A to point B. Rectilinear on a straight line. Linear motion. Rectilinear motion. There are so many ways, so many names they call it. Rectilinear motion. The body is moving from point A to point B. A body starts from rest and goes to rest. A body starts from where it's not moving before, it was just stagnant or moving, it was just in a particular place, and it moved to another place. That is known as what? Rectilinear form of motion. But in a situation where a body now goes to rest, it's also a form of rectilinear form of motion. So just like the cars, the way the cars are moving, you understand? Then we also have random. Random motion is another type of motion. So we have the rectilinear, we have the oscillatory. Oscillatory, what's oscillatory all about? Oscillatory is moving up and down, up and down, up and down. The body is just like a spring. Talking about a spring, it can also be said to be a to and fro form of motion. To and fro form of motion. So the body is moving up and down, just like this spring. This spring is moving. You just move it up and down, up and down. That's oscillatory. It is not stable. It is just oscillating. And an example, we have the simple pendulum. We have the simple pendulum bulb. Simple pendulum bulb. Now, how is a simple pendulum like? You see this? You see one here. A bulb is here. Now the bulb is here. Now the bulb is here. The bulb moves here, comes back to here again, moves here, just like you have this swing or jangle over. It moves here, comes back again, moves here until it comes back to rest at the middle. That's what we call simple pendulum. Or we also have simple pendulum is one of the best examples we have. Can we talk about a guitar, a plucked guitar string, plucked guitar string. It's another example that works under this oscillatory form of motion because it will vibrate and to now come back to that same point. That is what? Oscillatory form of motion, a to and fro form of motion. Then we have a circular motion. Circular motion has to do with motion around a circular path. You are just moving around an orbit. The body is moving around, motion around a circular path. Motion around an orbit, or I can say a circular path. So the body is moving around like this. It's moving around, round and round and round. Circular path. That is circular motion. Talking about the earth rotating around the sun. The way the earth is moving around 365. Circular motion. Other things too, the clock, the way the clock, talking about the earth, talking about the clock, your wristwatch and all that, the way it's moving around, that's circular motion. We have the random motion. Now this random motion can be said to be scattered. What does it mean to be scattered? It means it is diffused. It's diffused. And we call it a zigzag form of motion. So you cannot really tell the way it's moving, not moving around like this, moving around. That's zigzag, random motion. Random motion. You cannot tell. It is just moving around, scattered. That's what we call random motion. Random motion. So it is diffused. It is moving round and round. That's random motion. So we have different types of motion. Like I said, we have the rectilinear motion, motion on a straight line, oscillatory motion, such as which is a to and fro form of motion. Example is a simple pendulum bob and a plug guitar string. We have the circular motion, which has to do with motion around an orbit. For example, the earth and the clock. We have the random motion, which is scattered, diffused, or zigzag form of motion. So take note of this point.